Okay, welcome. How to withdraw? How to withdraw from this uh, block network to Metamask account? Okay, how to withdraw? Okay, uh, Polygon address. This Polygon address how to find? Okay, now don't worry. Now after doing successful your block account uh, dashboard. This house is dashboard. Okay. Uh, Click smart contract. Next, click again Chrome. Okay. Now you can see after open successful, uh, scroll down. Okay. Other info token contract with 18 decimal. This is the contract address of a Polygon address for withdraw successful from block network to MetaMask. Okay. Copy. After copy, come back MetaMask. Okay, Metamask. Okay, after successful Metamask. Okay, look up Ethereum main network. Click next. Polygon, Polygon mainnet. Okay, you can see Polygon mainnet. Click. Okay, successful. You can see here up Polygon mainnet. Next, click again the import token. Import token. Okay. Next again, go to custom token. Click. Next, copy. Paste. Paste here. Okay. Block BLC 18. Then click import. Okay. Import token successful. Import BLCK. Now okay. After successful add this contract address to MetaMask from block network. Okay. Then block network. Click. Scroll down. Receive and send address. Click receive. Then copy. Come back block network. Okay. Uh, okay. Here Polygon address. Polygon address you paste. Okay. You paste. Then set. Okay. Then automatically after you save this automatically you will be received after successful withdraw. Okay. Here save. Here paste. Save. Okay. Click save. Okay. Then you uh, go to withdraw. Okay. Withdraw after this 80,000 block network. You also may accept the withdraw. Okay. Now is my block network balance is 72,000. Okay. Try. You do not have enough block. Okay. after this 80,000 block, this will be accepted automatically after I click withdraw. Okay, successful withdraw after this 80,000. Okay, now example block 80,000 block. Yesterday 27 February 2024 19.47 47 p.m. Now I successful withdraw. Okay, now I receive at my Metamask. Okay, thank you.